Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what is considered the best strawberry bags on the market. FloraSea's 50-piece set of 4x6-inch fruit protection bags. If you're looking to protect your precious fruits and veggies from pesky birds, insects, and other critters, these bags could be just what you need. These bags are made from durable polyester mesh material, which makes them both lightweight and sturdy. Unlike bulky nets that can get tangled or damage your plants, these bags offer a gentle yet effective barrier. The green color is designed to blend naturally with your garden environment, helping to fool birds and squirrels so your fruit stays safe. Size-wise, the 4x6 inches dimension is perfect for a variety of smaller fruits and vegetables, including strawberries, blueberries, tomatoes, peaches, and more. They provide enough room for the fruit to grow without being cramped, so your crops can mature naturally without restriction. This means you don't have to worry about the bags harming the fruit or hindering its growth. One of the standout features of these bags is the drawstring closure. The double-pull drawstring system makes it easy to secure the bag around your fruit, keeping pests out and ensuring the bag stays tightly closed. This is a step up from single-pull bags which can sometimes leave gaps or slip off. Installation and removal are simple and quick, which is especially handy if you have multiple plants to cover. Breathability is another important aspect, and these bags excel here. The mesh material allows air to circulate freely, preventing moisture buildup that can cause fruit to spoil or rot. This means your fruit stays fresh and protected, striking a perfect balance between safeguarding and natural airflow. With 50 bags in a set, you're well equipped to cover a large number of fruits or small plants. They're reusable, so with gentle handling, you can use them season after season, making them an economical choice for gardeners looking to keep their crops safe. These bags are especially useful for small fruit trees or bushes, as well as garden veggies. They allow you to avoid the hassle of setting up large netting structures while providing targeted protection exactly where you need it. Plus, their soft texture ensures they won't bruise or damage the delicate skins of your fruits. In summary, FloraSea's fruit protection bags combine effective pest control, ease of use, and practical design in a cost-effective package. Whether you're protecting strawberries, tomatoes, or other small fruits, these bags offer a smart solution to keep your garden thriving and your harvest safe. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you want to keep your fruits safe and healthy this season, these strawberry bags might just be your new best friend. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews. See you next time.